Actually, nakapila kami sa presinto. So, during that time, mahilig kami sa mga plaka-plaka, di ba? So, in West Fairview, and in Parañaque, and in Alabang, I was known with the nickname Shoe. So it's SHOOH. So everyone from my childhood, teen years, call me Shoe. So kilala kong Shoe. So may plaka, yung kotse ko may plakang Shoe. So hinuli niya lahat ng mga plaka, kolor. So he was asking me. So sabi niya, so nakapila kami, so okay, nakatingin siya gano'n, nakapila. Yun. Tinuro. Di ba ikaw yung kasama ni Mark Anthony? Yung Bapings. Yung anak ni Rudy, ikaw yung kasama niya, di ba? Apo. Ano ba to? Ano ko yung kalaya ko eh. Sige na, kumusta mo kay Douglas Piano? Babalik ko yung lisensya mo, pero huwag mo sabihin sa iba. Pero itong plaka mo, hindi ko na mababalik sa'yo. Yes po, huwag mo na ulitin yan, ha? Hindi na po. So, sa akin, it was, syempre, it was an experience, learning. You need to follow rules. And, big impact sa akin in my life. As a driver on the streets, ganyan. And also as a competitor. It was a short stint ng underground drag racing. And then I went professional na after a while.
90s yan, John.
Yeah, it was 1990s. Panahon ng Gopings, so between 93 to 95.
And then yung last question ko please, yung ikaw ba yung sa documentary?
It will be me and Ricky. So, basic yan na kami, but it will involve everyone. Iconic names, iconic personalities, iconic vehicles, Filipino car culture, local, abroad, all the interesting stories behind winning Filipino names, champion cars, champion drivers, champion teams. That's why, parang we need all the help we can get na makuha lahat ng archives. So we're here to talk about ma-relay yung stories, mailatag lahat ng magandang kwento. Like, example, kami ni Ricky. Saan kami nagkita? I was part of Toyota Alabang racing team. I was part of Toyota Team Toms. You guys are familiar with Toyota Vios Cup, GR Vios Cup. During our time, it was Toyota Corolla Cup. So it was way back 1996. So there's a story to tell. Kami, anong storya namin? Saan kami naging high top-level competitors. And yung level of respect namin sa isa't isa was very high. Imagine a full season, no? It was me and him in front of the field. Not a single scratch. Right? Not a single scratch. We were stiff competitors, but never sumayad yung kotse niya sa kotse.
Wow.
And we were dicing it off always, the whole time. Rain, dry, and we finished the race. Too bad Ricky beat me. I was a runner-up, but it was my rookie year, so I won Rookie of the Year, and then he won the championship. Ano yan eh, maraming storya, and we want to share the stories to everyone.
Pero John, bakit documentary, hindi na lang fiction na parang Fast and the Furious? Bigyan mo ng Fast and the Furious ang Pinas.
With a Fast and the Furious style film, it's very, very commercial, right? So I believe the growth of motorsport in the Philippines will be parallel to the growth of a commercial type film. So we're looking at the documentary muna for now. And maybe later on, a few years from now, we can do something like that. Kasi ano naman siya, it's a top grosser in Hollywood, right? Nakakailan na sila 10. Tayo wala pa. But yeah, it's possible. But we're really looking at muna on the rich history of the past and then implementing the present and para marating natin yung magandang future with motorsport. So we decided to isang kompletong docu-series. Ma-refresh tayo lahat of our roots. Very, very rich na roots for motorsport.
Thank you.
Ito, super